Welcome back to Sir Boats Yacht, where we dive into the world of houseboats, yachts and everything luxurious that floats. If you are passionate about marine adventures or just love to dream about your next getaway, you are in the right place. Today we are going deep into the Titan Houseboat, one of the most luxurious, spacious and versatile vessels currently making waves in the houseboating world. From its stunning design and powerful features to the comfort of its interiors and the joy it brings on the water, the Titan is more than just a boat. It is a complete floating lifestyle experience. Let us explore why the Titan Houseboat might just be the crown jewel of modern aquatic living. When you first lay eyes on the Titan Houseboat, the sheer size and elegance immediately catch your attention. It has a commanding presence on the water with dimensions that make it one of the largest and most accommodating boats available today, stretching up to 65 feet in length and boasting a beam of around 22 feet. The Titan offers a layout designed for both privacy and socializing, making it ideal for families, groups of friends, or even corporate retreats. It is built not just for transportation but for creating unforgettable moments on the water. One of the standout features of the Titan Houseboat is its exterior design, which strikes the perfect balance between sleek modernity and functional architecture. The clean lines, large panoramic windows and multi-level decks provide both visual appeal and practicality. The upper deck is a masterpiece in itself, often including an open-air lounge, a shaded bar area and sometimes even a hot tub. The railings are made of stainless steel and tempered glass, offering safety without compromising the incredible views. The hull is built with durable materials to withstand various water conditions while maintaining a smooth and stable ride for all on board. Step inside and the interior of the Titan feels like walking into a high-end waterfront condo. The materials used throughout the interior are top-tier, featuring hardwood floors, granite countertops, leather seating and contemporary lighting designs that create a cozy yet sophisticated atmosphere. The layout is typically open concept with a spacious salon that flows seamlessly into the dining area and kitchen. This openness allows for social interaction and a sense of togetherness, whether you are preparing a meal, watching a movie, or simply enjoying the view through the expansive windows that surround the living areas. The galley or kitchen is equipped with everything you need to prepare meals just like you would at home, or better. Modern appliances such as a full-size refrigerator, a convection microwave, an electric stove and even a dishwasher are standard in many Titan models. There is plenty of cabinet and counter space, making it easy to store food and prepare gourmet meals for family and friends. The kitchen often opens up to the dining area, which features a large table and seating that can accommodate your entire group, making mealtimes a special part of your houseboat experience. When it comes to sleeping arrangements, the Titan does not disappoint. Depending on the model, you can expect multiple bedrooms, each designed with comfort and privacy in mind. The master suite is typically outfitted with a king-size bed, ample closet space and an ensuite bathroom that rivals those in upscale hotels. Additional bedrooms may include queen beds, bunk beds or convertible sofas to suit the needs of families or larger groups. The sleeping quarters are designed with sound insulation and climate control, so you can enjoy restful nights even when the boat is in motion or anchored in a busy marina. Bathrooms aboard the Titan are more than functional, they are luxurious. The primary bathrooms feature full-size showers with glass enclosures, modern vanities with storage space and high-efficiency toilets. Some layouts offer multiple bathrooms to ensure privacy and convenience for all guests. The materials used, such as tile, stainless steel and tempered glass, echo the overall design theme of modern comfort and functionality, making even the bathrooms a highlight of the onboard experience. Performance is another area where the Titan excels. Despite its size, this houseboat is surprisingly agile and easy to maneuver thanks to its dual-engine configuration and advanced navigation systems. Depending on customization options, you might find twin inboard or outboard engines that deliver reliable power and efficient fuel consumption. The boat handles well in a variety of water conditions, offering a smooth and stable ride whether you are cruising across a lake, anchoring in a secluded cove or docking at a marina. The hull is designed for maximum stability, which means minimal rocking and maximum comfort even when the waters get a little choppy. The Titan is equipped with a full suite of navigation and operational technology to make piloting as intuitive and safe as possible. GPS systems, depth finders and VHF radios are typically standard, and some models include additional features like bow and stern thrusters for easier docking. Advanced control panels allow you to monitor fuel levels, battery status, water tank levels and more, all from a centralized location, making it easy to manage the houseboat even for those who are relatively new to boating. Entertainment is a big part of what makes the Titan such a compelling option for extended trips or floating vacations. The boat is often outfitted with a high-end audio system, flat-screen TVs in multiple rooms and Wi-Fi connectivity in areas with signal strength. Some models even feature built-in gaming systems, DVD players and streaming capabilities, so you can bring the comforts of home onto the water, with multiple social zones including interior lounges, exterior decks and shaded areas. You will find it easy to unwind or entertain guests no matter the time of day. The layout of the Titan is engineered for maximum comfort and usability. The open floor plan allows for easy movement throughout the boat, and intelligent design choices ensure that every square inch is put to good use. Storage solutions are abundant with under-bed compartments, built-in cabinets and clever shelving options that keep your space organized and clutter-free. Staircases and handrails are placed strategically to provide safe and easy access between decks, and the flooring materials are chosen for both style and safety, with slip-resistant surfaces that stand up well to water and foot traffic. Climate control is another feature that makes the Titan stand out from many other houseboats on the market. High-efficiency HVAC systems keep the interior cool during hot summer days and warm during chilly nights. Some models even include fireplaces in the salon area, adding a cozy touch that is perfect for evening gatherings or romantic nights on the water. Insulated walls and windows help maintain internal temperatures while also reducing noise from outside, ensuring a peaceful and comfortable environment regardless of the weather. Eco-conscious boaters will be pleased to know that many Titan models are designed with sustainability in mind. Solar panels can be installed on the upper deck to power lighting and small appliances, reducing reliance on fuel-powered generators. Water-saving fixtures, energy-efficient lighting and environmentally friendly materials are just a few of the green features that can be incorporated into your houseboat experience. The inclusion of holding tanks for waste and grey water ensures compliance with environmental regulations and keeps the waterways clean for everyone. Customization is a major selling point for the Titan houseboat. No two Titans are exactly the same because buyers and renters often have the opportunity to select layouts, color schemes, furniture options and even deck features. Want an upper deck jacuzzi or a retractable awning? No problem. Prefer a more rustic interior over the modern finish? You got it. This level of personalization means that each Titan can be tailored to match your lifestyle preferences, whether you are planning to use it for weekend getaways, full-time living or special events. One of the most enjoyable aspects of owning or renting a Titan houseboat is the sheer variety of experiences it enables. You can spend your days fishing, swimming and exploring, and your evenings dining under the stars, hosting game nights or simply relaxing with a glass of wine and the gentle sound of water around you. The houseboat lifestyle is all about balance between adventure and relaxation, between exploration and comfort, and the Titan is built to deliver on all those fronts. In terms of value, the Titan is a smart investment for those looking for a high-end houseboat experience. While it is certainly positioned at the luxury end of the market, its combination of quality materials, advanced features and robust design ensures longevity and ease of ownership. Maintenance is straightforward thanks to easily accessible systems and durable finishes, and the resale value remains strong due to the Titan's popularity and reputation. The safety features on the Titan are comprehensive and designed to protect everyone on board. You will find life jackets, fire extinguishers, smoke and carbon monoxide detectors and emergency lighting as standard equipment. Additionally, the boat is constructed with non-slip surfaces, secure railings and clearly marked exits, making it a safe choice for families with children or elderly passengers. Emergency procedures and safety training are often provided by rental companies to ensure peace of mind during your trip. Let us not forget about accessibility, which is a key consideration for many boaters. The Titan often includes features like wide doorways, easy access bathrooms and level flooring to accommodate those with mobility challenges. Some models even come with wheelchair ramps or lifts, making the joys of houseboating available to everyone regardless of physical ability. Docking and launching the Titan is made easier by its responsive engines and optional bow thrusters, which provide added control in tight spaces. The wide beam ensures a stable platform for boarding and unloading, and many mariners are well equipped to handle a boat of this size, making it a practical option even in more crowded waters. The swim platform at the rear is ideal for boarding kayaks, paddleboards, or personal watercraft, adding yet another layer of fun to your aquatic adventures. As we wrap up this comprehensive look at the Titan Houseboat, it is clear that this vessel is more than just a way to get from point A to point B. It is a floating sanctuary, a platform for adventure, and a luxurious escape, all rolled into one. Whether you are a seasoned boater or someone exploring houseboats for the first time, the Titan offers a blend of style, performance, and comfort that is hard to beat. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the Titan Houseboat here on Sir Boats Yacht. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another review or update from our channel. We have got more boat tours, buying guides, and lifestyle content coming your way, so stay tuned, and as always, live your best life on the water with Sir Boats Yacht.